Yo, what's up guys? So the other day I was just chilling and some dude messaged me on Discord saying I can't get donated without talking. Now I asked him to clarify and he said something about I can't use chat or voice chat and he wanted me to get donated. Now we all know the point of this entire game is literally to talk to other people and get donations. So if I can't talk, how am I meant to get donations? Well, I didn't want to back down from the challenge, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna go into a random voice chat server so I can hear what people are saying, you know? So I don't have a plan for this video at all. So I'm just gonna be going around trying to, okay. So I think the best way, okay, this dude is here, right? This is either about to be the most fastest video. Is this dude?
The dragon.
Yeah, what about?
Oh shit! I can't talk. He's. Come on, come on! I can't talk to you.
I have 0 Robux. I just paid a bunch of people to upload it.
Dang it! Oh my god.
You should buy my items though. My chain and my glasses.
Okay, fine. Where?
Let's see.
Oh, are we about to get? Is this about to be the fastest video ever?
Alright, we'll see you later, Dragon Man. I'm gonna go try and sell my items.
Okay. Where's the stand, bro? Where's your stand? Stand, bro.
Oh, hi.
Bro, I can't talk to you. Where's your stand? Oh my god.
Where are we going? Do you have voice chat? Jump if you got voice chat. Stand? Oh, over here.
Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
What the hell is items? What
Trying to raise
items?
up for more UGC items. Like my
There we
chain and my glasses. Yo, thank you. Thank you for the 5. Appreciate it.
Okay. That's a genius idea I just found. That's a genius idea. Okay, we donated him, but I just realized we can use this stand to talk to people. The rules of the challenge were that I can't. What is it? I can't use chat or voice chat, but a stand was never in the rules. You know, I just gotta find someone to donate real quick. Who should I talk? Maybe small. Okay.
I got you.
Yo. Oh, I just didn't talk to this broke dude. Okay. Yo. Yo, bro. Come on, reply. See the thing. See the stand. Come on. Dude. Oh my god. Alright, this is not going well. This is not going well. Okay, different server, chat. Different server. I'm gonna go back to a normal server. Oh, that's so nostalgic. That music. Alright, never mind. The server is dead. We're gonna go back to a voice chat server. Alright, come on. Load in. You can do this. There we go. Alright, I just gotta find someone. Holy. I sometimes just gotta mute people, bruh. Where is this person playing the piano? Oh my god, I muted that person.
What the flip is he doing?
It's good piano, but I don't want to hear that for real. There we go. Oh, yo, bro. Yo. Come on, read this time. No, read the sign. So, well, yeah, I tried for another hour to get donations without talking, and I miserably failed. So I'm just gonna quit this challenge right here, but depending on how this video does, I might do a part 2 where I actually get a donation this time. Let's just say if this video gets more than 20 likes, I'll do this again, and then we can see. And I'll give away all the Robux I make in the next video to someone random, so stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.